Did you know that atherosclerosis, a silent killer, could be building up in your arteries right now? Millions are affected each year, but you can fight back with something as simple as your diet. Let's discover how together. Let's dive into the powerful fruits that not only keep your arteries clear, but also bolster your heart health. We'll explore how these fruits, rich in essential nutrients, combat the dangerous plaque buildup in your arteries and enhance overall cardiovascular wellness. Ready to discover which fruits can make a significant difference in your health? Let's get started. First fruit, avocado. First on our list is the avocado. Packed with healthy fats and fiber, avocados help reduce bad cholesterol and prevent plaque buildup. Their rich content of antioxidants also fights oxidative stress in your arteries. Second fruit, blueberries. Next, we have blueberries. These small but mighty fruits are loaded with antioxidants that prevent the cholesterol in your blood from oxidizing and sticking to your artery walls. Third fruit, apples. Moving on to apples, which are high in soluble fiber and antioxidants. Eating apples regularly can help reduce cholesterol levels and arterial inflammation. Fourth fruit, pomegranate. Pomegranates are not just delicious, they're also a heart health powerhouse. They improve blood flow and reduce the risk of artery damage thanks to their high antioxidant content. Interested in adding more heart-healthy options to your diet? Check out our specially selected supplements linked in the pinned comment below. These can boost your intake of essential nutrients that combat atherosclerosis. Fifth fruit, kiwi. Kiwi is another fruit to add to your list. High in vitamin C and polyphenols, kiwis can significantly lower the risk of blood clots and strengthen arterial health. Sixth fruit, grapes. Grapes are rich in polyphenols, which help improve the health of your blood vessels and reduce inflammation. They're especially good for maintaining heart health. Seventh fruit, strawberries. Last but certainly not least, strawberries. They're high in antioxidants and potassium, which help regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease. Eighth fruit, citrus fruits, oranges and grapefruits. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are not just refreshing, they are bursting with heart-healthy benefit. Rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and soluble fiber, they play a critical role in improving heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Ninth fruit, bananas. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps maintain normal blood pressure and heart function. They also contain vitamin C, dietary fiber, and natural sugars, which provide a steady energy release throughout the day. By regulating heart rhythm and reducing sodium's effect in the body, bananas support overall cardiovascular health. Integrating these fruits into your daily diet can greatly reduce your risk of atherosclerosis and improve your overall health. Don't forget to check out the heart health supplements in the pinned comment to give your diet a boost. Let's take a step towards a healthier heart together. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends and family. Atherosclerosis is a silent threat that doesn't show symptoms until it's often too late, which is why spreading knowledge about heart health is crucial. By sharing this information, you might help someone catch and combat this condition early, potentially saving lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more vital health tips and join us on this journey to better health. Together, we can make a significant impact on our well-being. Stay healthy, take action for your heart, and see you in the next video.